Smoke alarm safety tips and facts. A smoke alarm is critical for the early detection of a fire in your home and could mean the difference between life and death. Every year in the United States, about 3,000 people lose their lives in residential fires. Properly installed smoke alarms are considered to be one of the best and least expensive means of providing an early warning of a potentially deadly fire and could reduce the risk of dying in a fire in your home by almost half. The following tips and facts will maximize the benefits of a smoke alarm in your home. Protect yourself and your family. Install smoke alarms. It's the law. New York State Fire Code requires that every home have working smoke alarms. Smoke alarms save lives. Most fatal fires occur at night when people are asleep. Often, victims never wake up. A working smoke alarm will detect smoke and sound an alarm to alert you, giving you precious time to escape. Buying the best alarm. There are many types of smoke alarms, each with different features. Alarms can be electrically connected, battery-powered, or a combination of both. This combination is highly recommended. For people with hearing impairments, install smoke alarms with flashing lights or vibrating signals. Make sure your smoke alarms have been tested for safety by a reputable laboratory. One smoke alarm is not enough. Install smoke alarms on every level of your home, including basements and near sleeping areas. If you or your loved ones sleep with the bedroom doors closed, install an alarm inside each bedroom. Where to install smoke alarms? Because smoke rises, you should place alarms on the ceiling. If you cannot do this, place them high up on a wall according to the manufacturer's instructions. There are certain locations to avoid, such as near bathrooms, heating appliances, windows, or close to ceiling fans. Test your smoke alarm regularly. Every month, test your smoke alarms. Once a month, test your alarms using smoke from a smoldering cotton string. Follow the owner's manual. Change your clock, change your battery. Install a new battery of the proper type at least once a year. If the low battery warning beeps, replace the battery immediately. We change our clocks each spring and fall, so this is a good time to change your smoke alarm batteries too. Gently vacuum alarms every 6 months. Dust can clog a smoke alarm, so carefully vacuum the inside of a battery-powered alarm using the soft bristle brush. If electrically connected, shut off the power and vacuum the outside vents only. Restore the power and test the unit when finished. Smoke alarms don't last forever. Smoke alarms do wear out, so if you think your alarms are more than 10 years old, replace them with new ones. Plan your escape. Make sure that everyone knows the sound of the smoke alarm and what to do if fire occurs. Regularly, practice your home fire escape plan. Know 2 ways out of every room and have a prearranged meeting place outside. Once out, stay out and call the fire department from a neighbor's home. Studies demonstrate that smoke alarms save more lives than any other fire prevention measure. Remember, keep it safe, Smithtown, and make sure your home has properly working smoke alarms.